climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough.
Hey friends, and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Either way, I am so excited that you are here today for a new complete disaster whole house clean with me. I have a ton of cleaning motivation in today's video. As always, I will be starting with a much needed kitchen clean, which is always my domino chore. Is it just me, or is the kitchen just one room that is impossible to keep clean throughout the day? I also have a ton of laundry motivation as always, and I'll be tidying up the kids' play areas. Now, if you are new here, my name is Katrina Marie, and this is actually my second channel here on YouTube. I created this cleaning channel so that I had somewhere to share only my cleaning videos on. I had a mix of content on my main channel and just really wanted to separate them. But of course, in saying that, I would love for you to check out my main channel, Mama Cat. I would love to have you a part of both communities, but if you are only here for the cleaning motivation, I love that, and I do hope that you will decide to stick around, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you're liking my videos. So in today's whole house clean with me, my bathroom also needs deep cleaning as well. But before we get into that, let's finish off this kitchen clean. We have plenty of dishes to get through today. As you would know if you've been here for a while, we do not have a dishwasher, so I will be hand washing dishes as always, and under the sink we'll be getting a much needed deep clean. So let's get cleaning.
To your old life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're coming way together. Standing on dizzy heights, you make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're coming way together. Standing on the dizzying heights.
So I often get asked if I don't rinse my dishes, and I just wanted to explain that quickly. So 90% of the time I do rinse them. I just do it off camera for a couple reasons. The main reason though is because I like to keep my videos interesting and full of different kinds of cleaning motivation. So I try not to focus too much of my cleaning videos on the one room. And the fact that there is always a dish mountain in our kitchen, by the time I get the dishes washed, I just feel like it would make it too repetitive if I also then showed myself rinsing each one. So in short, yes, I do rinse our dishes off. But the other thing that I really wanted to bring up and mention is that I do like to keep the sink full of water, if it's not too dirty of course, until I finish cleaning the rest of the house, because I can almost guarantee that there will be more dishes on the stovetop or in the lounge room. But even then, that's another thing I won't really show in my videos. So if you see me taking pots off the stove like you have here, they go straight into the sink to be washed. I just usually only film the bulk of the dishes, and then I do the smaller extra bits off camera as I find them while I'm cleaning. So I hope that answers a couple questions for you all. I do love it so much when you guys have questions. I am always so happy to answer them as best that I can. So please ask me anything anytime. All you have to do is leave a comment down below, or you can always send me a DM over on Instagram at KatrinaMarie_YouTube, or you can easily contact me by email, which is always written down in my description box.
I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all
It wouldn't be a whole house clean with me without a bathroom clean. If you're anything like me and shed a ton of hair, I'm constantly vacuuming and cleaning out the drawers. I could honestly vacuum the house 3 times a day and my hair would still be found in every single room. I am always searching for ways to prevent my hair from molting everywhere, so I welcome all of your advice on that one. Leave me a comment if you have found a way to tame your mane after having kids. I'm still kind of hoping it may just stop after I stop breastfeeding, but then again, I have heard that it only gets worse after breastfeeding, so I'm not looking forward to that. But today I really wanted to get in and deep clean the bathroom, vacuum up all of the hair and give the shower a good clean. If you saw the video where I deep cleaned our insanely filthy ensuite, you probably saw that I found this brand new pack of electric toothbrush heads and like the handle thing that came with it, and it was a super cheap one off eBay that never got used, but I thought I would keep them and try using them as a cleaning tool. But to be honest, a normal toothbrush would have scrubbed these up much better and quicker, so next time I'm just going to stick to the basic toothbrush. Along with losing hair, we also have the trouble that our drains get blocked a lot from the hair, which happened only a few days after filming this cleaning video. So I will be showing you in next week's video how I unclog the shower drain. Honestly, if I didn't do it myself every time, I would go broke calling the plumber out here. But anyways, let's get back to the cleaning.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
So because I use a spray mop, it doesn't really fit between these small gaps either side of the basin. So I'm just going to go in and wipe them down with a face washer. And as I mentioned a lot on my channel, I am such a huge fan of magic erasers for a lot of reasons. But one thing I love about them is how well they clean grout. So as you will see after wiping the floor here, the magic eraser really helps clean so much of that grout still. I do use these to clean so much, especially tough stains around the house. But I will say that they work as like a microscopical sandpaper. So although they are soft to our hands, you still may want to do your own research on what surfaces they are safe on. But in my opinion, if you have kids, no surfaces are safe in your house. So if they can get to it with a texter, then you can bet that I'm going to go at that surface with a magic eraser, because it's quick and effective, especially on walls. If they draw a texter on walls, that is the first thing I grab. I just could not recommend them enough.
Worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
The kids' toy room constantly needs a tidy up. It usually doesn't take long, and we have the toys organized now so that everything has its own place, which helps a ton, especially when the kids want to help me clean. They know where everything belongs and it helps get everything cleaned up a lot quicker. Of course though, when it becomes a complete disaster like this, I like to film it, which means unfortunately they can't help, because as much as I want to show my cute babies off to the world, I just don't believe the internet is a safe place for them to be. So that is why you won't ever see them in my videos, which does make finding time to film a lot harder sometimes, that's for sure. But I also find that when I let the mess get this bad, it can get really overwhelming for them, so I don't mind doing it myself when it gets like this.
Fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Next room on the to-do list today is my son's room. I'm going to clean, declutter and organize his room before finishing off with some laundry motivation. If you are still here and watching, I do hope that means that you are loving my video. I would love to have you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of my future videos. Also, as you all know, I really appreciate it when you give my videos a boost by hitting the thumbs up button. I upload cleaning videos here on this channel as often as possible, as well as food and haul videos every week over on my main channel. So if you're here watching any of my videos, be sure to leave a comment saying hi so I can personally thank you for being here and watching my videos. I appreciate your support more than you could ever know.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame then my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
I'm wondering how many people here today watching have a laundry routine that works for them. I would love to hear what works for you. I don't have a solid laundry routine at the moment because some weeks we have barely any, and then some weeks we are drowning in laundry. I will say though, we dry all of our clothes inside at the moment on clothes racks. We are going into winter, so especially at the moment we are. So I basically just do a load of washing as soon as the last load is dry and off the racks. But that is where if I'm falling short for time that day, the dry clothes just come off and into a basket, hence why I have about 4 loads of laundry to fold here. But I will say my absolute favorite part is when I get to hang all of the clothes up. This is probably my favorite laundry hack, is having all of the clothes stacked together and then just putting the coat hangers in. But you will see coming up soon how I do that. It is definitely my favorite laundry hack.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
As always, thanks for being here and watching today's Complete Disaster Clean with me. Until next time, I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back here really soon with some brand new cleaning motivation.
Take flight, it's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah.